Hi, I'm Kat Wilson-Tucker of Next Step Quilt Designs. Welcome to another design tutorial for hexagons. Today you will learn how to make an 8-inch finished box and twisted ribbon hexagon. Using Creative Grid's 60-degree equilateral triangle, I cut from one 4.5-inch strip 4 triangles and 4 diamonds. If you need help, check my tutorial for how to cut triangles and diamonds for hexagons. This is the layout of the box and the ribbon hexagon. You first sew each half together, and then you sew the two halves together. When the stripes meet in the corners like this, you have to match the stripes up and pin. You sew a 1/4-inch seam to the pin. You hold the pin so it doesn't move. Crank over the pin, remove the pin, and sew to the next seam. Hold the pin. You are now going to press open the seam. And then once you press to the one side, you flip it over. And with your fingers, just run along the edge. Then we can flip back over again and press on top. The two halves are ready to be sewn together. First of all, for this one, because no seams matched, all we have to do is pin the center. And then pin one on each end. And now we can go to the machine. Now you sew the two pieces together using a 1/4-inch seam. I've pressed the seam open, and now the twisted ribbon is finished. On the box hexagon, there are no stripes to match on this seam, so we just line up the edges and sew the 1/4-inch seam. We've pressed the seams open on the one piece, and we did the other piece, so now we're ready to put the two halves together. And because the stripes match in the corners, we have to pin the seams. So again, you line up the edge and the stripes and pin. The last seam has been pressed open and the box is now finished. Thank you for watching this edition of Next Step Quilt Designs. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the box and ribbon hexagon. Join me in my next tutorial.